Hi, I am Zaira M. Wagat, and I am your student nurse. Here's my patient, 18 years old. First, I am going to auscultate the heart sound. Now, we will going to find the A, P, E, T, and M.
The purpose of auscultation of the heart is to characterize heart sounds and murmurs. The stethoscope has two different heads to receive sound, the bell and the diaphragm. The bell is used to detect low-frequency sounds and the diaphragm to detect high-frequency sound.
Next is to auscultate the lung sound.
Starting at the top of the chest. First, intercostal space. Use a stepladder approach to listen to breath sounds on the anterior chest, finishing at the seventh intercostal space.
And now is the posterior view of the patient.
Start at the first intercostal space of the posterior chest, moving downwards, avoiding the scapula to the seventh intercostal space.
Okay, I'm done.